Alrighty guys, today we're going to tell you why it's important to know which way your trimmer head rotates. The Hurt trimmer rotates in a counterclockwise direction, which means it's going to throw grass that way. Important because you don't want to throw grass into the road. Now we're going to show you what happens if you trim it the wrong way. Okay?
Yeah.
Back on me. And as you can see, it threw the grass into the alley or onto the roadway, whatever you want to call it. It's an alley on this case, but if you were throwing it in your front yard, it would be a roadway. That's not what you want to do. You don't want to throw your clippings into a lane of travel. 1, it's unsafe. 2, looks disgusting. 3, causes you more work on cleanup. We don't want to have to do that. So since it rotates that way and we know it's going to throw it in the direction that it's turning, we want to go trim it the other direction. That way it throws it into the grass. Alrighty, and that's if you're trimming in front of you or walking forward. If you're trimming behind you, well, then you want to walk backwards. Or I'm sorry, you're not trimming behind you. If you're trimming the other direction and you don't want to get grass into a mulch bed or something, then you want to tilt the trimmer up and walk backwards so that it pulls it towards you still. Also, if it's near sand or rocks, you're going to get pelted like hell in the legs. Back on the trimmer. So there's a quick little demonstration on how you should trim as far as the direction, knowing what direction your trimmer head rotates. If it rotates the other direction, then you just reverse those, and you would walk backwards along the curb strip and forward along near the mulch beds. Bye.